This is Soundcore Space One, an affordable headphone with great sound quality and amazing flagship class noise cancellation. Let's start from design and appearance. But before everything, one request. If you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Well, Soundcore Space One comes in 3 colors. I have got this sky blue edition, but if you want, then you can get the jet black or latte cream. Considering its price and noise cancellation ability, I must mention the ear cups are really so very smooth. Well integrated memory foam covered by supple fox leather provides the utmost comfort. The memory foam is thick enough so it's not only comfortable but also it's very flexible. Thanks to its new design and 8-degree floating axis design. On my ear, I have never felt any fatigue. And due to having the same memory foam wrapped by the same premium quality supple fox leather on the headband, it also feels light and very comfortable. The headband is neither too soft nor too stiff. It gets a tight and secure fit with a good clamping pressure, creating a really good seal blocking out a lot ambient noise. And as someone who wears glasses, it is nice to know that they do not put excessive pressure on the frame, like some other headphones do. So even if I'm wearing glasses, I have never felt any fatigue, I have never felt any pressure, and at the same time, the headphones get a very good tight seal around the ear. Altogether, Soundcore Space One comes with a sturdy build quality and it offers flagship class comfort. Considering the price tag, yeah, it's a sub $100 headphones. I think the build quality, outlook, comfort, appearance, yeah, Soundcore Space One is the premium king of this sub 100 segment. But what about sound quality? Nobody would buy a headphone for its outlook and appearance. Okay, Space One's 40mm customized dynamic drivers offer crisp, high-res audio with LDAC support for 3 times more detail than standard Bluetooth codecs for detail and rich listening. In practice, the Space One feature a surprisingly wide sound stage. What this means is you will get that added level of immersion with your music, movies or games. But even better than that is the balance between the bass and treble. Unlike many other affordable headphones, Soundcore Space One reproduces treble with clarity without sounding too sharp. Bass has the proper oomph. Finally, the mids are the most impressive among all the headphones within this price segment. Talking about the sound quality, we need to talk about the Soundcore application. I love this application because it's not only well developed but also has a user-friendly interface. There is a Hear ID sound which is customized for the user through a hearing test. There are a lot of preset equalizers available inside the application, and yeah, all of those will enrich the listening experience based on the content and the taste of the user. I mean, different people may choose different type of equalizer and you may go through a few of these equalizers and I'm sure you will find one among these equalizers which you would like and prefer. Personally, I prefer bass booster, but I think most of the people would like the Soundcore signature. It depends on personal preferences. But anyway, if these are not enough for you, then okay, there is an option, custom equalizer. You can easily customize your own equalizer depending on your taste and preference. There are 2 other features, easy chat and wearing detection. So when we are wearing the headphone, we can touch and hold the left side of the headphone to activate easy chat. It actually helps us a lot to go through a conversation while wearing the headphone. We can also enable easy chat by simply speaking for more than 5 seconds. Yeah, there are 2 different options. We can select the one that we prefer inside the Soundcore application. There is another nice feature, wearing detection. This feature can also be activated from the Soundcore application. Now, it's time to talk about the most important feature of this Soundcore Space One, adaptive noise cancellation. The upgraded noise cancelling structure blocks irritating, distracting voices such as people chatting or car honking. Space One features a spatial adaptive noise cancelling technology. This technology automatically detects and analyzes the external sounds and sound leakage. This one gets automatically calibrated and adjusted to the best noise reduction level in real time, particularly in mid to high frequencies. This one comes with a stronger voice reduction than any other headphones of the same price. Inside the application, there are three options. Noise cancelling. We can select between adaptive noise cancelling and custom noise cancelling. Then there is an option for normal mode, which uses only passive noise cancelling created by the seal of the ear cups themselves. In this mode, you may find the bass a bit less prominent, but this will help preserve and extend battery life. There is an option for transparency mode. We can select the amplification level based on our ambient sound and surroundings. I have tried ANC in many different scenarios, in many different places. Soundcore Space One is able to block up to 98% of outside noise, which is far better than what JBL and Sony can offer. Truly, side by side, Soundcore Space One has blocked more noise than Sony's XM5 and JBL's Tour 1 M2. It's not like slightly better, it's way better. Okay, talking about noise cancellation, there is a physical noise cancellation button on the left ear alongside the power button. Volume rockers and play pause button is located on the right ear. You will also notice that there is a mic on the right side and there are two mics on the left side, which together offers immersive in-call experience. The voice is rich, warm and super clear. Well, finally, what about the battery life? Soundcore Space One comes with a 580 mAh battery and we can get up to 40 hours of battery life while ANC is enabled. That's massive. Most of the other headphones wouldn't even go beyond 30 hours with ANC on. And when ANC is disabled, this one goes beyond my expectations. 55 hours. Wow, that's amazing. When comparing these to many other headphones in this segment, this one is way better than those other headphones. Well, that's all about this Soundcore Space One. Turn down the crowd. Concentrate in whatever you are listening to. I not only love to listen to music with this Soundcore Space One, I also love to play games with this Soundcore Space One. Because this one supports Bluetooth 5.3 and while playing games with these Bluetooth headphones, I feel there is zero latency. Kudos to Soundcore. Okay, if you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button. I have left a link of this product in the description box below. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, go ahead, subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.